Number 92, perform the indicated operation and reduce result to simplest form. 3a plus 3 all over a squared minus 1 plus 2 all over a minus 1. Is it A? A plus 1 all over 5. B, 5 all over a minus 1. C, 5 all over 1 minus a. Or D, a minus 1 all over 5. Siguruhin kasi ang algebra ay nasa 30 to 40 items palagi. Mas marami pa rin sa mga lumalabas na algebra trigo. Ang gagawin mo, i-factor out mo muna. I-factor out mo muna. Kunyari, meron kang 3, this is a plus 1 all over, this is the difference of 2 square in the form. So you have here a plus 1, a minus 1, plus 2 all over a minus 1. Now you can start canceling. Ayan, you can cancel this one. A plus 1, a plus 1. So you will have 3 all over a minus 1 plus 2 all over a minus 1. And then you can directly add the fraction kasi parehas sila ng denominator. So you have a minus 1, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5. So that's 5 all over a minus 1. So that's letter B.